Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I will share with you how to take this, transform it into this. So when I mean transform is that from this date format, transform it into, this one looks like a date but it's actually a text. Transform it into a date format. So that takes you to take some value from here. So let's just talk about how to turn this into this, yeah? So let's go to the data tab. So I have this tab here and I'm just going to put it here. So first of all, we need to extract the first 4 characters. So we can use we can either double click, copy this and put it here, and then will be this, another one will be here, and then here. Okay, so we can do something like that if it's not a lot value, or you can just directly type it in, just like 11/1s 2022 if you only have one item. Of course, in the real world, in today's world, you don't have just one row of data. Usually you have many. So how do you deal with that? So we're gonna use the function that is first a function that can extract from the left 4 characters. You call the left function. We got this. And if it's about right in the middle, which is represent the month, we can use the make function. Click on this and start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 5 characters, and from the 5th position we take the 2 characters away, so we get 0, 1. And finally we can use the right functions. So we take something from the right, take how many characters? Take 2 characters and enter. And that is how we use the left function, make and write. So how do you take the 3 numbers and form it into a date? Well, exactly, you use the date functions, put in the year, the month, the day, and enter. And there you are, we got this done. So in this video, you learn about how to use the Excel function to turn a text value looks like a date into a date, and that is kind of transformation. Okay, now again, you learn the left function, and then just go through some beautiful. Okay, there you are. Beautifully done. Left. So the left functions tells extract something from these characters. Take the 4 characters. Okay, so now let's look at another one. The other one is called the make function, and again it's from this date like a value, and then it takes from the 5th characters. So 20220 is this is start from the 5th character of 5th position, and then take 2 digits from there. So that's why you get 0, 1. And finally you get the right function. The right functions take these informations and extract 2 characters from the right. So that's why you have 2, that's 2 and 4. And if you want to combine all these 3 values as a date, convert it to a date, you can call the date function. Okay, so that will be the final one. Okay, so that is how you do it in Excel. So how do you do this in Powerquery. So let's explore this. Go to Data tab. We turn this into a Excel table. So my table has header. Yes, we does have a header. Let's just click OK and load it into Powerquery. So same things apply to this, and what I want to do is that, well, I want to do some fill down first. So just fill down. Okay, now how do I extract the 4 character from there? So we go to transform, go to the extract, and I use first characters. So we count 4 characters. So you see that, but it replaces the whole thing, so I don't want to use this. We go for the add columns, go for extract, choose the first 4 characters, click OK, and now I have this. And again, I select this, I can rename this one to year, and then I go back to this jewelry date, good receive date, and from here I go for range. This is the make function in Powerquery. So I text from the 5th, starting from the 5th starting index, and take 2 characters. Let's see. It's a middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 characters away. That's the middle. Yeah, that's the middle. But why you get 10? That was really strange. Yeah, I am getting from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe I need to start with the 4 character. Yeah. Because in Powerquery, the index start with 0, different from Excel. So it's a 4, click OK, and you get it. See, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, yes. And finally, this is the, this is month. Let's put a month number. Come back to the GRV, extract. This time I go to last characters, and I get 2 characters. That is essentially the right functions. So there you are, and these are the day. Then I select the 3 of them, right click, I'll move it to the front. So we just call to beginning. See? So this GRV is no longer needed. I'm just showing you this. So I right click, remove this date, and now I highlight 3 of them. I want to combine them with a slash. So I right click here, choose, make sure you select the 3 columns and choose merge columns. And right here I'll go for the slash, and the new column is just the original GRV dates, and click OK. And there you are. Then we click on this to choose a date type as this column. Well, basically I done this step. Now I can go to host, I can load into a new worksheet, or I can just load it into the same worksheet that I want to. Okay, so I just select maybe somewhere here. Yeah, maybe here. Then click OK. Okay, so that's it. If you take a closer look, and this is exactly what we did from here into here, and these are the lists. So what's so different is that suppose that you have another new list of data, and now we change it to 0, 2, and 13. Maybe this 1 to 3. So now with this information, I just need to right click, refresh, and there you go, right there. All I need is just right click, refresh. That's the Powerquery. Oh, and of course this is just a glimpse of the Powerquery can do. Thanks for watching. This is a series of teaching, so I'm just showing you how to do this in Powerquery and Excel, and the next one is to how to do this sum. Finally, how to remove those the rows is more complicated than you can think of, but it can be learned. Thanks for watching. I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank you, Jesus, for teaching, sharing me, for giving me ability to share.